How to get Virgin Media Player on Samsung Smart TV. There's no dedicated Virgin Media Player app for Samsung Smart TVs, so you can't install it directly. The Virgin TV Go app is available on Android, iOS, iPadOS, and some web browsers, but not for Samsung TVs. Use a Virgin TV box connected via HDMI to your Samsung TV and switch to the HDMI input to access Virgin Media content. You can control the box with the Virgin remote or your TV remote if CC is enabled. Alternatively, sideload the Virgin TV Go app onto an Amazon Fire Stick, though syncing issues may occur. Chromecast or Apple TV can stream Virgin Media content from other devices. While these methods work, they aren't as smooth as a native app. Ultimately, using a Virgin TV box or third-party devices is your best option for accessing Virgin Media on your Samsung Smart TV. That's it. Thanks for watching.